Hey guys, we are gonna blast your glutes with some glute pulses. So bench glute pulses are gonna be elevated. Shoulders are elevated slightly, and you want something, a bench or a box that is right about knee height. So to start this movement, you're gonna sit down in front of the bench and pull your shoulder blades so that you're just resting your shoulder blades on the bench. Walk your feet out so that you have a 90-degree angle and a straight line from your knees through your shoulders. You can let your head rest back and let your hands just rest on your hip bones. So from here, adjust as you need to, and then it's a little pulse movement. So you are coming down an inch and squeezing up an inch. This movement is all about concentration. So you want to feel the focus movement and the squeezing in your glutes as you're doing it. So it's a little lift, okay? Once you feel comfortable here, we're gonna grab some weight. And you can use a slam ball or a med ball if you'd like. With this one, up on your shoulders again, just let it rest right at your hips, down and pushing up. And then you're holding onto the ball just so it doesn't roll around on you. The other thing you can do here is grab a dumbbell. Same idea. So the dumbbell, the weight is gonna go at hip level, shoulders are back, and as you're pushing up, you're really squeezing your hips, or squeezing your glutes, I mean. So in. The other thing I like to do is I'm pushing down through my heels. Toes almost lift off just a touch, but this is a small pulsing movement. This is not huge. All right, those are glute pulses.